Enhance your drip irrigation system with the Camel Agrotech Drip Takeoff, designed for efficient water distribution and precise irrigation. This high-quality fitting allows smooth branching from the main supply line, ensuring leak-proof and secure connections for effective water management. Made from durable, UV-resistant plastic, it provides high-strength, weather resistance, and long-lasting performance. Its precise design ensures easy installation, reducing water wastage and maximizing crop yield. Ideal for agriculture, gardens, and greenhouse irrigation, this Drip Takeoff is a must-have for a reliable and efficient irrigation system. Choose Camel Agrotech Drip Takeoff for superior performance and sustainability.